here's a quick video about how I made my cut file Italy 2019 that I made for my newest mini album. A lot of people have been asking how I made that, so here it is. So you enter your Silhouette program. Here's the cut file already that I did. So you go on your text box on your left, and then you click on the little A, and you type a word, and then you go back to the A and make another text box, and you type your other word. And then you need to choose your font. So you click on all the letters. You go on your right, choose the text style, and you just you choose the font that you want to have. Here I use two different fonts. I'm using a font for mini and another one for album. And when I'm satisfied with the fonts, I go ahead and click OK. So I use fonts that are pretty much thick, that are very thick and not very like filigrane and thin. Okay, when you have your two words, you're going to weld them, but you only need to do that if the letters already touch. Okay, if they don't touch, no need to weld. Then you're going to put your words together, go on your offset box, and you choose the offset that you like. Here I used an offset of 2.50, and then I put them like that's it. I just made them bigger for you to see. And that's already it. You can group them together, that like I'm doing here, group them so you can change your placement. I'm doing it again here. I'm writing cut file, and then I use another text box. You see it right there. I click on the A, choose another text box, write by Lisa. Then I go back to the word cut file. I click on all the letters. I choose my font. So the font is on your right. You go click on the A, you choose your font. And I have a lot of fonts that are not in the program, so don't go ahead and think that all the fonts that you see here are in your Silhouette or on your computer. I downloaded them on DaFont. So then click on the words, click the letters, and then just choose my font. And here I use the font Cherry that I really like. It's the one that I use for my mini album also. Then I put the words together, I click everything, and I go on the weld box, on the offset. Click offset, just choose your offset. If you like it thicker, you use thicker. If you like it smaller, you use a smaller. And then when you release, you already have your cut file. It's very easy. So try it. Let me know if it works for you. Let me know if you have any more questions, and I will happy to answer them for you. Bye bye.